Hey guys, showing you this Amazon Echo Pop. So this is a new series of Amazon Alexa, and you can see just open this box and show you the content. And here, so this is the little purplish color, but looks really nice. So this comes with the adapter, instruction manual, and the Echo Pop itself. So this one is a small size one. So let's fix all the adapter. So there is a knob in the back. It's a long cable, so you can use it easily. So it goes in the back, and then you can just put it in the power outlet. The instructions and everything is clear. You can also pre-install for your account if you want to during the website. And once it's started, you can see this the LED light on the top. And once it's started, you need to download the Alexa app on your mobile phone, and then you can just pair this up. As the light is blinking, you can just pair this up. So here on the Alexa app, you can just go and check and then connect it, go with the instruction, see the change in the color of the lights. So everything is all set, and once this is added, you can just command with the Alexa what you want to do and what you are going to do with it. So the sound quality is good, but the bigger one is actually much better. And then but this is not that bad than better than Flex. And of course, like, it depends on the size as well. So with the sound and then everything, it looks good. It's a nice Alexa, small size, easy to put.